Today we will discuss a program for computer graphics algorithm, that is to rotate a object rotation. We will first take a array which will hold the coordinates of the object, and we will take a pivot point x and y. This pivot point will be a fixed point about which the object will rotate, so that the object do not translate and we can avoid its relocation. So since we are to avoid the object relocation, what we will going to do, we are going to subtract the relocation before doing any scaling or before doing any rotation. So this is also applied in rotation. So since we want to avoid any inbuilt translation, we will first shift the object nearer to the coordinate, or to be precise, we will put it in the origin, and once the object is put into the origin, then we rotate the object. Once we rotate the object, then we put back the object in the original place. So our main program, this main function, we can see that we have to rotate the object by 90 degree. We have taken a 4 vertex object, and the initial points are 100, 100, 150, 200, 200, 200, 200, 150. So basically it is a rectangle. So we'll rotate the point about 90 degree. So we will rotate the point about 90 degree about a pivot point. This is the program. So we have two examples. So one is of a triangle. This is the second question. This second example is of a triangle where we rotate by negative 45 degree, that is the anti-clockwise, that is the clockwise, the negative one. Negative direction is for the clockwise direction, and we have a 3 number of vertices. That is this is for a triangle, and the fixed point is 50 comma minus 50, and for the first example the fixed point is 0 comma 0. So that is, we will rotate by the it is the origin. So the rotation will have an effect on the object, where the distance from every point to the origin, that is the 0 comma 0, that should not change. That is the object, that is the criteria for a rotation about a pivot. That is, when we rotate about a pivot, whatever the rotation that is going to be, whatever the rotation is that is going to be affected, the point that is going to be the outcome of the rotation should not be translated. That is, that particular point should maintain the similar distance with the pivot, that is the general fixed point rotation, that is from the center of the circle. That is, this is what we call by the pivot point. When we rotate about a when you rotate about a pivot point, the point which is going to be rotated has to maintain a fixed distance. This particular distance have to not be changing. If this particular distance, if we can keep it constant, then we can say that the object has been rotated by a pivot. If we don't keep the pivot, the object will be moving it throughout the screen, which we are not which we don't want. We want the object to be this particular point. When we rotate the object, when the art moves, when the art rotates in the axis, every geographical coordinates they change, but the center of the center of the art remains the same. It does not. So we can say that art is rotating about a fixed axis. So this particular 0, 0 point cannot change. The whole screen, any point can change, but this particular 0, 0 should not change. That is the purpose of the rotation about a fixed point. Thank you.